Look, I wouldn't want you to travel anywhere without GPS or a map, because the one thing you could do is get lost. And we don't want that. The same holds true when we talk about journey maps within the area of product design. This is the process of where you're moving from different points, from discovery or information of a product or brand, all the way into converting and potentially being a return customer. There's a process, there's a map, and we'll cover some of that today. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stay tuned for more. Yes, we're talking about customer journey maps. And as I mentioned before, yes, if I wanted you to meet me in a certain location or a certain place, I would expect to give you directions or that you have them. This way, you don't have any hiccups or mishaps on your journey. The same holds true for product design. Now, thank you for joining. We talk about everything from app design to strategy to life stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the fun, and leave a comment. Let me know what you would love to hear or what you want to contribute to the conversation. I would love to hear what you think. If we decided to go on a trip and we go somewhere that is unknown to both of us, that would assume someone has to have direction. Someone has to have some sort of map to get us from point A to B, and C and D and all the things in between. Well, in product design and customer experiences, the same holds true. What a customer journey map is, it is an outline diagram that shows all of the potential touch points that a user has from being informed about a brand or a product all the way into the phase of a conversion or being a return consumer. So in this journey map, we like to outline all of these things. And what you're trying to do is get a handle on each particular phase. Where could problematic situations go wrong? Where could opportunities surface? This helps you look at the system in its totality and not just individual sections. This gives you a more wide range of area to cover, one, and two, to eliminate all the friction that are in spaces that the user shouldn't even be in. Now, these maps usually cover overarching themes. It could be one based on research, sort of where the user is starting from, what type of mental model that the user may have. It can illustrate the points of entry where a user would be coming in from. There's a lot of ways to showcase a consumer journey map, and all of them will be different based on the context, the data, and the goals, as well as the architectural build of the system. What you really want to strive for with these customer journey maps is trying to understand where expectations for your users are being met. Where are the expectations falling short? What opportunities are surfacing from it, and how can you build on them? What will also help is looking at all the positive, the highly positive and more happy emotional areas that users are experiencing. What is that like? What is causing it? Look for those moments, because those you really want to highlight and bring life to them. Now, wrapping this up, or at least sharing these metrics or these bits of experiences to other stakeholders on your team, you do that through storytelling, visually as well as descriptively. You start to share the vision so that it is common among all parties. This helps for buy-in. This helps for consensus between collaboration and so much more. Identify those areas in which these journey maps and pain points that the user may have in your experience. Look for the high points that create positive emotion in the users. And then also understand and keep a real keen eye out for the opportunities that will help you win in the totality of the experience, going from early adoption all the way to conversion. So there you have it. We talked about a few steps within the customer journey map that takes you from education or entry into being a loyal customer and potentially a return customer. And this holds true for not only products in the e-commerce space, but also digital products, SaaS models, and so many others. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to give it a like, share it with someone you feel can take some value from understanding this journey map, and then consider subscribing, because we talk about a lot of things on this channel and I would love for you to join the fun. All right. In the meantime, in between time, as I always say, your life has color. So make sure you design it that way. And we will see you in the next one. Take care.